Alright, so this is the Honda CT125, and this is my face. And yeah, we're doing an oil change down here. Let me grab the camera from you real quick. Show the oil change. So we're doing it with the Fumoto valve. You can see I also have the Qajar skid plate. It's nice about that, it's got this door, so it covers the oil drain. And you can see the Fumoto valve no longer protrudes. It does on the stock one, but not this. Yeah, oil is crystal clear. Literally just flip the valve open. I'll leave a link for the Fumoto valve in the description, and also leave a link for the skid plate, the Qajar skid plate. This is freaking awesome. But yeah, this oil change, I've never spilled a single drop of oil with this oil drain plug. It is the best. Can't recommend Fumoto valve enough, man. I do all my oil changes at home, and I live in a nice gated community. And yeah, basically, this helps me not spill a single drop of oil no matter where I do my oil change, whether it's in my community or in the parking lot of an O'Reilly's or whatever the fuck all the parts store you guys got. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and I think that's the video.